One specific food has been throwing away every single year. For example, in the Netherlands, 25%. In the United States, 33%. In the United Kingdom, 44%. In Australia, 186,000 tons of that food end up in the bin. Do you have any idea what it is? The answer is bread. Bread is the most wasted food in the world. A chef at the top restaurant asked me if I can do anything with their very good leftover bread. At that point, I started to explore how I can turn bread leftover into miso. My goal was to share how everybody can turn bread into miso. So it has to be very simple and no need for special machinery or environment. Therefore, everybody can do it themselves. The miso has to be made with natural fermentation. It is because it will bring the best benefit for our health and nature around us. But natural miso sometimes take a very long time to ferment, such as 3 years. I guess many of us don't want to wait that long. So I wanted to invent also that the method can shorten the fermentation time. However, it's done naturally. So after 3 years of failing and trying, almost giving up and standing up again, I finally found the method. And the Bread.Miso.Making.Kit was born. I have two different magical liquid, and you need 100 grams of bread of your choice. So now, let me show you how to use it, Bread.Miso.Making.Kit. And you need 100 grams of bread of your choice. I chose it. Different types of bread. Croissant, Kaiser, white roll, Turkish bread, and brown bread. Yeah. So, first you need to tear bread into the small pieces. You can also mix different types of bread, and bread with seed or dried fruits, it's fine, but I would not recommend to use it bread such as has a fresh cream inside, or donuts for example. So now you can see all the bread turn into the small pieces, right? You need first magical liquid with white sticker on it. You open it, and it's like liquid. So you pour all this liquid into the bread. You mix it with a hand. I want you to feel the bread and play with it. I want you to do it this every day for first 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, this is something you will get. So all the moisture from liquid to first, it's merged into the bread. So it's had a very miso-like texture. It's paste. Magical liquid too. It's a bit darker than the liquid first. Now I want you to put all this liquid into here. And you do the same things. Mash it, fill the bread, and this time mix it every day for same 30 seconds to 1 minute, but 1 week. And that's it. You don't need any special machineries or special place. You can leave it in a room temperature. By the way, you can make the miso from not only the bread, but also different types of starches, such as cooked rice or pasta. Now you can save bread from wasting it and make a miso. Then you can add that miso into your favorite and traditional dishes as a replacement of salt or seasoning, and enjoy it! My dream is to have a table without any judgment. Food has a very strong power. It is because we all eat no matter who we are. And I believe food can not only connect us each other, but to the earth. Don't you think it would be fun that we all start making a miso from bread that has a amazing and original culture of yours in it? Then if we can save 1 ton of bread together, I think the world will be more fun place to be, even just a little bit. So change might be a very small, but every single drops of the rain makes a huge ocean, right? Well, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the kit. See you!